we just finished up at Dermalogica, and for one, incredible little outside space right there, and for two, Caitlin is here.
Hi.
Enjoy.
Oh, the sun is really...
I know, right? Enjoy seeing Caitlin throughout the entirety of this weekend in this vlog, but we're having a phenomenal time so far. We're enjoying things so much, and our skin feels gorgeous and refreshed. So massive thank you to Dermalogica for the invite out, because science skincare, I know it's a science, I know, but it hits different to actually see all the science doodads and the lab and everything. Out of all the times to forget to record an intro, this is it. So hello, welcome to the weekend. We are at Long Beach for IndyCar, IMSA, trucks, historic F1 cars, and a fifth series that I'm definitely...
Drag.
There it is.
Drag racing.
Drag racing. Woo! So, phenomenal time it's going to be have. So many of the girlies are here, and that's the kind of weekend that we absolutely adore. We've already had a really good start. We were at the beach yesterday, got absolutely burnt to a crisp.
Well,
so,
I didn't, you did.
I did. I got burnt to a crisp, but that happens inevitably. Every single start of the season, don't tell me to wear sunscreen. Like, I did. This happens anyway. It's fine. Had a lovely little get-together last evening for Zoe Racing. Cute little cookies, cute merch from Grandstand Project were around. And now, time for day 2. And woo! Getting more done. Party. Also, we're inside a Cadillac.
It's a sexy car.
It's green, so...
You'll see it later.
Yes, so also thank you to Cadillac for providing. Immediate points to Long Beach, right when you get in. Hungry, thirsty, full banner. We love it. We've run into a celebrity, it's Rexy. We are now at the track, and we're gonna go on a cheeky little pit walk. We're currently filming IndyCar Crash Course, which if you haven't checked it out, you absolutely should, because this is the first time that I'm getting to record a video on a track, and it's very exciting, it's very fun, and I was definitely sweating bullets the entire time. But now we get to have a fun time just exploring. And look at who we spotted, James Cooker, out in the wild. Just wrapped up track walk, and my goodness, it's one thing to tell people that it's going to be hot on track and a challenge and all of those words, but it's another one entirely to actually feel the heat. And I'm not even in a race suit. I am in jeans though, even with the vented pockets. That was a lot. But finished up filming, and now we get to just wander around and have a good time. It is Friday. We are headed to track because we have Media Pen. Well, you have Media Pen. I am moral support for Media Pen. So meeting up with Track Talks Emma, as well as all the other girls. We're gonna have a fantastic time. It is supposed to be a scorcher today.
And I'm wearing boots.
Boots
up to my knees.
So the bad news is it's gonna be really hot. The good news is it's gonna be breezy, it feels like at least. But that's also kind of bad news, because then you don't fully realize when you're cooking, as we already encountered on Wednesday. Let's not talk about the sunburns. But it's gonna be a good day. We have practices, we have qualifying for IMSA, and just overall a good time to be had. On Ozempic.
Oh, fair. Yeah.
This is the Ozempic pit lane.
Oh, it is. It's separate.
It's Ozempic. What? I want a boat. It's not just a pedal boat. You have to specify swan. just wrapped up doing not quick, but doing a great tour of, I have no clue where I'm going actually. I feel like I went and turned the wrong way at some point. Me and James Cooker went and did a lovely tour of Arrow McLaren. Great interview, absolutely phenomenal time, going all over the place there. They're so kind, so nice, absolutely fantastic time. And now we are headed to the pits for catching the last of IMSA qualifying. So that should be absolutely great. Fantastic end to a Friday. It's like,
I agree.
I just want a photo of like me holding literally everything that I have, like just in my hands.
we all have no free hands and a million things to film.
But it's game on at the front.
Good morning. We are getting ready to go to track. We look cute.
I'm not dressed yet.
How is this the weirdest thing, really? Putting a wig on?
Somehow, I don't know what it is.
This is just... Little Will. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Before they go vroom, though, we get to be on the grid. I mean, we're on the pit lane right now. It's not wrong. Racing is about to begin, and much as we would like to commandeer a vehicle, we've been told no. Onto the grid. It says we get to do that today. We also have race mode, so we can watch from the pits, and that is something we absolutely adore. So I think we're gonna camp out and have a good time. And we all accidentally, totally on purpose, accidentally wore white and denim and blue. So we're all looking very cute.
Where's my girl?
And we just smile at the little camera there because it's a video, so it doesn't really matter, but just having fun on the grid. Thank you. The moment where I realized how many celebrities I actually have no clue who they are.
I'm with Tiny Will Power.
It was on my because look at that.
With myself.
I feel like so team, like a team fit wanker.
Thank you.